Welcome guys, today I am with OPPO Enco X earbuds and also with Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can link these two devices. Okay, so at the first I can recommend you to charge this earbuds at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find USB-C input for the cable, and when you make it, just open the case and then click and hold this button on the right side of your charging case to move them to the pairing mode. Click and hold it and keep holding until this indicator starts blinking like that. Right now we can release. The next step, open Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone, tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth, and take a look right here in this place. You will find your OPPO Enco X earbuds, so just tap on them once, click pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Another step, we have to open the Play Store or App Gallery if you are using the Huawei phone, and we have to get this application, Hey Melody, from Hey Top Developer. So just go for the search and type Hey Melody. You can also type OPPO Enco X and also this application will appear. So just install the app. Right now we can open, accept all of these permissions that pops on your screen, click Add, tap to turn on, click on the switcher, and right now you can just go back, click Add one more time, tap on the settings, accept permissions, and click Add another time. So when you previously connect them by using the Bluetooth settings, you will get them already right here. But when they are not appear on the list, you have to repeat the same steps. So we have to click and hold this button until indicator start blinking, and they will be available in the application. But if you have them right here, just tap to connect, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.